Hi everyone, today I want to talk about meiosis and meiosis, two ways our cell divide. I picked this topic because when I first learning it, all the diagrams looked the same to me. I remember thinking I wish someone would explain this in a simple and clean way. So that's why I want trying to do today. Mitosis and meiosis may look similar, but they have a different job. One help us group and heal, and the other create objective, so every person is unique. Some of the diagram I used today come from the OpenStax biology and the Creative Commons image, so I will show the full reference at the end. And the first slide is explain like the mitosis happen in our body cells, like skin, bone, and the meshes. And the main purpose is very simple: that make two new cells that look exactly the same as the organized cell. I like to think the mitosis as a clean copy machine. No mixing, no randomness, the new cells are cloned. We need the mitosis for everyday things like grooming tool or healing a cut. When you scratching your arm or the skin clothes, the mitosis doing the work. And the mitosis goes through the four steps: the first, metaphase, and the telegraph, following by the Pythonist. You don't need to memorize every detail to understand the main point. The DNA spells every day, the evenly, so both the new cells stayed identical. And now it looks like at the mesozoa. The meiosis only happen in the reproductive organ, the ovaries and the tests, because it make egg and sperm. Unlike the mitosis make four cells, not two, and each one is the genital different. The cells also have only half the number, like which is important because when the egg and the sperm join, the number goes back to the normal. And the part of the mesozoa is crossing over, like the small swabs, the small pieces of the DNA. This creates new combinations, which is why each person looks unique, even spelling. And in the short, the mitosis help us group and repair our bodies. The mesozoa create diversity diversity and make the sexual reproduction possible. So and the last one is the result.